Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm trying to do one every day if I can. I'm on my new phone again, and I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I already started it. So well, I already started, so where can I put this in? It's not gonna be in the way. Oh my god, at this game. Literally. I'll beat everyone score someday. If I don't die trying to do that. So let's generate with money. Really, right now, all I'm trying to do is get money, so my baby sister Jayla, because she really wants this girl Lucy that's like $7,000, and I'm trying to get it for her. Well, yesterday was Easter, and it was so fun. That's how I got my new phone. We got phones for Easter. I love mine, except it's messed up. The only thing messed up about my phone is oh, come on. Let me see what happens. Yep, so Jalissa, she's straightening my sister Jayla's hair. I'm just sitting on Jayla's bed playing this. Comment in the comment section below if you think I'm a god at this game. Because I am. Right now, I'm Super Saiyan, got Super Saiyan at this game. I'm the best god. No, I'm Super Saiyan Rose at this game. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm Beast. That was close. Right there, I was looking at the face cam, and I almost got ran over. No. I'm hitting a jackpot now, and then I'm hitting a jackpot now, and I just lost the double coin. Not the best day ever. Well, not the best day of playing Subway Surfers. I'm going to be doing a lot of gameplays now. I'll be doing more Subway Surfers Part 2. I'll be playing Dokkan Battle. Like I dealt my first, well, I'll be playing Dokkan Battle. I tried to play Dokkan Battle once, but that was on my old phone. And it didn't work out too well. No! No! Oh, I disregard. Come on, I wasn't even blocking anything. Except his face. I'm sorry it's so dark. I just don't got good lighting. Next time I might do it on my bed where I actually have good lighting. Would have been funny if I just hit my head and died. And the cops came and took me. There's one person that I'm saving it for, and you guys know him by the name of King. Oh, come on. Oh, that's what I was blocking. I don't think I would get my hair straightened. She is really fun here. You made her hair longer. It looks like her hair is longer. That's the funny part. Her hair actually looks longer than it was. It looks longer than it was though. When you straighten it, it just looks longer than it was. If the camera wasn't there, I would actually see what that was. I wonder if it was a power thing. Oh, comment in the comment section below. What do you think? I mean, not what do you think. What is your favorite power-up in Subway Surfers? Oh, guys, I watched this thing. It's a show. It's called Ultimate Beastmaster. It's like Ultimate Ninja Warrior. It was cool. It's about an hour, but it's not an hour. It was pretty cool. I recommend you watching it. I recommend you to watch it. I recommend that you watch it. Good, I actually like the time. It's pretty cool. 6 states, six different countries. About 4 people from 6 different countries face off in an intense challenge. An intense challenge to win. And to get the title of the Ultimate Beastmaster. We only watched the first episode though. So it's not like I'm saying it's the best show ever, I'm just saying it's cool. Jay, you look pretty. Joseph, why does your hair look crazy though? Jayla's. It literally looks crazy. Jayla. Jayla, look. Do you want it?
Is it my girl now?
No, but I did get another girl.
Chicken?
Yep.
You want chicken?
Look. If I go over here. Oh, I almost have the money to buy her. Look, you want to play as this one?
No, but the other girl.
Yeah, I almost have enough.
Alright, I'll take it out of you.
Jayla, I only need 800.
Jill, you're gonna pull all your hair out. Why are you being like this? You're gonna pull all your hair out. You're stupid.
Oh, I know what it is.
God.
Yes.
Why'd you want me to straighten your hair? And you say you want. I'm not gonna talk to you. Get out of my room.
I'm literally gifting one of these. Oh, yeah, right
Give me
here.
my glasses. You have.
Hey! Sorry, guys.
You have your own
I
glasses.
didn't mean to click on that.
I lost them. No, I know where they are. Give me my glasses. I lost them.
Come on, stop! Jalissa, get off her. Okay, I'll get him for you to stop.
No, you're not. Give me my glasses.
Jalissa, you know I'm on YouTube right now. Oh, break it up.
Give me my glasses.
Jayla, give her glasses.
I know where your
Sorry, guys,
glasses
you're fighting.
are. Alright, Juju, get me her glasses like you said you would.
Jayla, give me. Are they sissies?
Yes.
If they're sissies, you have to give them back. Jalissa, just give it to her. Sorry guys, I gotta end this video here. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.